Yo, this thing is officially a fishbowl. I already don't like this, bro. Got that signature I needed. Yeah, this looks way better than I even thought it was gonna be. Proof. Sheriff. Alright guys, it's time for a new video. This one's actually gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna be taking off, well right now we're gonna be taking off my tint. So everything right now, so on the windshield, the side doors, the back windshield, all that, because I have a ticket that I have to, I mean the ticket's only for the windshield and the side doors, but I may have ordered, may or may not have ordered chrome tint all around. So I basically just want to get this taken off, get the ticket written off, and then the next day we're gonna slap the chrome tint on all around. It should come out pretty clean. I've been wanting to do that for a minute, and it's a perfect excuse to take off what I already have now. I've just now noticing this. I gotta fix that, I guess, too. I guess I'll fix that, but they're gonna be taking off the normal tint. Tint percentage is 20% all around on the next one, but it's chrome, so I feel like it's still gonna be reflective. Right now I have 5%. I have 5% and then 20 on the windshield, so we'll see how the chrome tint looks. But right now I'm about to go drive, get some coffee, and then pull up to my homie's house. He's gonna take off the tint. Yeah, I just pulled up. It's kind of windy, so I'm not sure if you guys are gonna hear the wind noise, but just pulled up and they're about to take the tint off. It's gonna be one of the last looks of it. Really can't see anything no matter what window you look through, especially in this overcast. You just can't see. It looks clean. The black looks clean. We'll see how the chrome really looks. I hope it comes out good. I've been wanting to do it for a while. Trying not to get smacked in the middle of the road right now. Yeah, if anything, I could always go back to black, but I've always wanted to try out the chrome tint. There's so much residue on here. I'm trying to just take it off. It's just the first window. But you see all the glue coming off. So let's take it off right now. Bro, this guy loves the attention. I'm really not used to seeing it. But you can see all the way inside. Bro, this is crazy. I feel like I need a roll cage now. I feel like it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look bad, but honestly, I just like my privacy. I like being able to have it all tinted up, but it'll be smooth for a couple hours. I already don't like this, bro. It's like, I feel so exposed. I don't know, I'm not used to this at all. It's straight. Also, it's way hotter in here than it usually is. So it's like, all the sun's just beaming in. It's sunset now, which is gonna kill me because I don't have these. So I couldn't even really drive at sunset with no tint, unless I had like sunglasses, which I usually do have. But yeah, the sun is like, luckily it's behind me, but this is definitely not what I'm used to at all. And I've actually never even drove this car with no tint like this. The couple times I got it changed, it just got changed at the shop. But in less than, I don't know how many hours, but less than 24 hours, fuck it, we'll have new tint on. I feel fucking exposed out these windows. It's like, I look over, I'm used to, I can't even, like, if I pull up at a light, I probably look like a weirdo right now, holding my phone and shit to myself, recording YouTube and shit. Yeah, I don't know, it feels weird. Can't even like look, when you just like look over and see who's next to you at a light. Now it's like awkward eye contact if I do it. But I don't know, it's bright as hell in here too. I had to throw on the sunglasses. no sun rejection right now. Sun's just beaming straight to the car. Honestly, it's a pretty clean look. I feel like now I'm just ready for a roll cage. And I also do like how you can see the roof. You can see the pillars at least, but that is velvet. See the carbon steering wheel kind of showing it off. But yeah, definitely a weird vibe. Not what I'm used to, but it's cool. So I'll say this is end of today, but tomorrow morning we're gonna head out, go to the sheriff's station, get the ticket written off, and then right after that we should be heading straight to the tint shop and getting the chrome tint slapped on and getting this thing back to how I want it looking. But yeah, catch you guys in the next clip.
24 hours later.
All right guys, now it's the next day. The weather is like super weird. It's like wet. I guess it rained a little bit, but right now we gotta find, I'm gonna try to go to the sheriff's station. I woke up a little later than I should have, so go to the sheriff's station, get that shit signed off, and then immediately out and go to Hype Vinyls and get this new tint slapped on. Just made it. Let's see what they say. Really just need them to sign this little paper right here, right about here. So we'll see right now. Yo, all right, got that signature I needed. It was funny, bro. The sheriff, he fucked with the car. He was like, is the hood custom right here? He's like, oh, the bumper is too. And he was walking around talking about it. At the time, I was looking for my ticket number because I extended it, so I wasn't able to record. But bro was like, oh, he was rocking with it. He told me, he was like, only CHP really is gonna care about tint. And these are sheriffs right here, but yeah, he said it makes sense that he got pulled over by CHP. He's like, nobody else really cares about it. I guess out here in SoCal at least, from what he said. But yeah, CHP will get your ass. So we're gonna see what they think about this chrome tint. But it's time to put it on. We got in the back seat right here. About to go straight up to El Monte right now and get this installed. Close to the tint shop. About 40 minutes ago, we got the ticket written off. Now we got Miguel tinting right now. This is Q50 though. This thing is so clean. I like this color than with the Rezags. The chrome Rezags look sick, but he's working on the windshield right now.
Post it or right now or like no?
Yeah, you can post it.
Yeah, cool. I'm just gonna do like a quick movie.
I got you. He's doing the windshield right now. He's gonna do the rest of it. But yeah, in progress right now, in progress. Damn, you can already see the reflection.
I know.
Yeah.
Like instantly, you can see it on the.
That's just a whole mirror right now. Car is done. This lighting is really weird right now, so they're not gonna really see. But I'm gonna wash the car because it's filthy right now. But you can see like it definitely has a mirror effect. You can kind of see inside, but it's really not that much. The car's dirty right now, so you really can't tell. But I'm gonna clean up the car and then we'll take it outside and see how it really looks. But That shit looks way different outside the shop. This came out really good. God damn, man. Got a whole mirror on my car now. It looks clean. Yeah, this looks way better than I even thought it was gonna be. You really can't see. Like, just try to look in, you can't even see it. It's about to be fun on the freeway right now. Hopefully the cops don't mess with me this time, but I'm fucking with it. I'm gonna just take some more photos and videos and I'll probably just head home. I already washed the car, so it's pretty clean. I'm gonna let the rest of it air dry. Some of it's drying, but it came out clean. All right, I'm about to leave and I'm just now noticing this. I guess I went to a gas station before I came here and there's a pretty nasty entrance. So I guess I just took this bolt completely off. Anybody asking for the brand, by the way, I guess this is the brand maybe, but it's just this bolt. So I'm gonna take this one out and then probably go to AutoZone or Home Depot or whatever, just find the same one and throw it in. Cause that looks, it's like pissing me off how crooked it is. But the tinner's car, he's out right now. I'm gonna tag him on the video. We'll try to find his ad for the tinting page. Does good work, man. His Q50's clean. I really like that color, the champagne. And the Rezacs look really good too. Yeah. He just got down right now. That should look sick, but he blessed me right now, so shout out to him. I thought I skipped the traffic, but all right, it's saying 57 minutes just to get home. 22 miles, 57 minutes. It's pretty insane. Pretty insane, but it looks crazy in here. It looks like it looks clear from the inside, but oh, my bad. Low-key missed the green light. Nobody honked at me though. I'm not used to this at all. It looks, I don't know if you guys can, you probably can't tell on camera, but it looks white. I don't know, it's like a white film. Kind of like a chrome tint, but it looks sick. Came out good on the outside. Miguel, he did a really good job on it. Did it fast too. He works really fast, real good. So if any of you guys need anything tinted, he does normal tint, ceramic. If you guys have chrome tint or you get a reflective tint from a different brand, you can bring it to them. They'll do it there in El Monte. Definitely recommend. It will change your whip. And when you try to look at my car now, you're looking at yourself. It's kind of funny, but yeah, I'm fucking with it. About to get on the freeway, same freeway that I got the first ticket for. So we'll see if CHP approves of it. I can't even roll my windows down for. Look at the sticker he gave me. I don't know if you guys see that. Can't roll my windows down for 3 to 5 days. That'll conclude the vlog. Appreciate you guys tuned in. I'm trying to stay consistent, trying to post out every week. I missed a week in between right now, but I'm gonna try to get this video out for Friday. I'm about to go home and edit this right now. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Proof. Sheriff. Is it approved? She was even looking, bro. This shit is. I feel like it'll be cool. I feel like nobody will mess with me. Hopefully. We'll see how sketchy it really gets though.